So everyone's on a bit of a roller coaster ride at the minute, and it's going to get a pretty wild ride. Certainly not for the faint-hearted. Some very big agendas in play. So the big question remains, will you escape in time? Will you get out alive? 90 seconds to midnight, time is running out. Red apple over there, and one big poison apple in the Dis Norfolk UK. Everyone's taking a big bite from it. Certainly no black panther, serial killer here. Africa is the Sandra, if you think so. Seen any seals yet popping their heads up? There's quite good fishing here. So, as always, plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates, certainly not mine. Like I say, everyone on a big roller coaster ride, and it's going to get pretty wild. You need to buckle up. Ship I would have worked on end up capsizing our sea bridge. work on the Nordic, the Herald of Free Enterprise, and the Herald of Free Spirit, Townsend Harrison. And they forgot to shut the bay doors coming out of Seabridge. Herald of Free Enterprise disaster. So they came out of the harbour with the bay door open and roll off the big ferry for lorries and cars. The sea just flooded into the car decks, the lorry decks, as they left the bay door wide open. They capsized just outside of Seabridge. That would have been the last ship I would have worked on. Divine intervention. When you leave the doors open to the UK and Europe, certainly will sink, capsize the UK. So I did go to Spain for a 2-week holiday, Tara Molinas. Had a very powerful encounter with the living God. Came back 2 years later. Had I returned after 2 weeks, again the ship I would have been working on. It was all over the front page of the Spanish newspapers. Capsized at Seabridge. Many people I knew worked with did lose their lives. So again, divine intervention.